Quality 052, turn left heading 210 degrees.
Left 210 degrees, correct, 052.
Quality 052, speed 210 knots.
Speed 210, 052.
Flaps 1, speed check flaps 1. Flaps 1 set. Shit. Speed for flaps 1 set.
Quality 052, descent altitude 4,000 feet, speed 190.
4,000 feet, speed 190, correct, 490.
Transfer Viet 9165, descent altitude 6,000 feet, heading 120 degrees.
Heading 120 degrees, is in 6,000 feet, that's it, 916.
Confirm the heading to 120 degrees.
Heading 120 degrees, that's it, 916.
6,000 set, heading 120 set.
Check, with the set.
Class 1654, maintain 8,000 region, T-gas traffic in your 2 o'clock time and city restricted below. Quality 052, descent altitude 3,000.
Taylor Street, ready, 052.
Speed L check.
Transfer with 90165, descent altitude 4,000 feet.
Need to descend 4,000 feet, outside 916.
4,000 set. Подрезать, значит.
Раз, like
Раз, так change speed. У меня есть 10 секунд. За этим.
Quality 052, speed 180 knots, turn right heading 210 degrees baseline.
Speed 180 and right 210 degrees, baseline, correct, 052.
Alpha 1674, descent altitude 6,000 feet, heading 120 degrees.
6,000 heading 120.
Vegas Arthur 9165, speed 9190.
Speed 190.
Transfer with 9165, speed 190.
190.
Flaps 5.
Speed check flaps 5.
Quality 052, turn right heading 270 degrees to the ILS 30 left.
Right, 270 degrees, United, still right, still left, correct,
Vertical speed. 800 down. Speed yes.
Good afternoon, Emirates 872, leaving 13000 for 10,000. Emirates 872, today expect the ILS 30 left, QNH 1010, descent altitude 8,000 feet. Descent altitude 8,000 feet, expect the ILS 30 left, Emirates 872.
Speed 195 set. Runway extension line, please.
That's it.
What modus waypoint? Speed out. 300. Confirm. Execute.
Transfer 9165, descent altitude 3,000 feet.
3,000 set.
Descent altitude 4,000 feet. Descent 4,000.
800 down, vertical speed.
Approach, hello, good afternoon, Emirates Niner 776, Panama 164, descent 10,000 on the 55 Charlie arrival.
First Niner 776, today expect the ILS 30 left, QNH 1010, decent altitude 8,000 feet.
Descent 8,000 feet, QNH 1010. Would like to request ILS runway 30 right minimum.
I'll get back to you. Traffic at 9165, turn right, heading 210 degrees, baseline.
Repeating 210 ways, that's 916.
Okay, flips 10.
Speed share flips.
Heading 210 degrees set.
Quality 052, speed 160 to 40 dB.
Speed 180.
40 dB, great.
Quality 052, speed now, please contact the tower 119.55.
119.55 on the speed bridge, so effective.
Number 9776, expect 30 left. 979-165, turn right, heading 270, clear the ILS 30 left.
Repeating 270, control base, 30 left, that's 916.
Number 9776, contact 30 left.
India, Delta, Bravo, Whiskey, identified, altitude. Localizer on.
Number 1604, speed 190.
Speed 190, 1604.
Игорь Сергеевич, с другой стороны меньше времени нужно.
Council 1604, descend
Approach
altitude
out.
2,000 feet, turn right, heading 210 degrees, baseline.
Descent 210, right, heading 210 base, so 76.
965, establish localizer 30.
9165, that covers it, thank you. Maintain the speed until 8 DME and then 160 until 4. 9165, contact the tower now, 119.55 clear.
Continue tower 1955, 9165.
Westlock Green.
The way to go down to
Mr. Gross.
9165, establish localizer 30.
Tango Sierra 9165, good afternoon, continue approach.
Okay, Mr. Approach 4000 set.
Great,
Speed 185.
kilo 1835.
08 kilo 185.
$2,500.
Flips 20.
8205,
Check
clear
left.
3031 degrees, 5 knots.
Speed for flips 26.
13465, thank you, Mike. Runway 781, 11875.
18755.
Okay, get out.
Yeah.
Speed brake out. flaps 25.
Speed check flaps 25. Ще 1,5 мілі.
160.
Чё?
Стал, я уже сказал 4 мили 160, да?
Да, до 4 160.
Все, мы четко летим.
Мы
Land
можем...
clear, loud flaps. Flaps 30.
Speed check flaps 30.
Landing checklist, please.
Landing check. Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30.
Landing check completed.
Okay.
Kilo 8, Kilo 185, 505. Gunfire 9165, Citizen 30 left, 29 degrees 13 knots.
Fatal left, 30 left, 165.
Okay, speed 157 set, according to wind elevation.
Sure.
Clear to
1000.
land, check stable. Go to minimum 350, manual land.
Sure.
Runway side, manual thrust. Manual control FD.
500.
FD check.
FD.
Ой, как хорошо это. Прогресс.
Minimums.
Runway side landing.
One 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Brakes now.
Reverse green.
Gunfire 165, Kilo 8, 10 Kilo.
Kilo 8 kilo.
Kilo 8 kilo, transfer 165.
Other brakes off. Locating to the left. Kilo 8.
That's 16748, Citizen 30 left, 90 degrees 1 second, again, Racket Kilo 6. Citizen 30 left, rotate Kilo 6. 674. That's 9165, but here on Kilo complex 118.35, okay?
Left side clear.
Turn to kilo, it's kilo. Clear. Goodbye, good afternoon, transfer 9165, kilo 8 kilo.
That's 9165, taxi on Kilo, and hold at Kilo Delta.
Taxi away, kilo, approach, kilo, Delta, transfer 9165.
Okay, after landing procedure.
118.
Hold at Kilo Delta, 180.